Napoleon Bonaparte's campaign in Italy during the late 18th century showcased his military brilliance and strategic acumen, earning him a reputation as one of history's greatest military commanders. Among the many battles fought during this campaign, the Battle of Rivoli in 1797 stands out as a decisive moment that solidified Napoleon's dominance over the Italian peninsula and paved the way for his ascendancy to power. Background: by early 1797, Napoleon had already achieved significant victories in Italy, securing French control over much of the region. However, the Austrian forces, determined to halt his advance, gathered their strength for a final stand in the rugged terrain near the village of Rivoli Veronese in northern Italy. The battle. On January 14, 1797, the forces of Napoleon Bonaparte and the Austrian Empire clashed in a fierce and bloody battle that would ultimately decide the fate of Italy. The rugged landscape of the Rivoli region, characterized by steep hills and narrow valleys, posed significant challenges for both sides. Napoleon, aware of the strategic importance of Rivoli, devised a bold and intricate plan to outmaneuver the Austrian forces. Employing a combination of feints, flanking maneuvers, and coordinated attacks, he sought to divide and encircle the enemy, cutting off their lines of retreat and overwhelming them with superior firepower. The battle raged for 2 days, with both sides engaging in ferocious combat amidst the rocky hills and dense forests of the Rivoli region. Despite fierce resistance from the Austrian forces, Napoleon's superior tactics and disciplined troops gradually gained the upper hand. One of the key turning points of the battle occurred on the second day, when Napoleon personally led a daring cavalry charge against the Austrian lines, breaking their defenses and sending them into disarray. The French infantry, inspired by their commander's audacity, pressed their advantage and drove the Austrians from the field. Victory. By the evening of January 15, 1797, the Battle of Rivoli had ended in a resounding victory for the French army. The Austrian forces, battered and demoralized, retreated in disarray, leaving behind thousands of dead and wounded on the battlefield. The significance of Napoleon's triumph at Rivoli cannot be overstated. The decisive victory not only secured French control over northern Italy, but also dealt a severe blow to Austrian power in the region. It marked the culmination of Napoleon's Italian campaign and established him as a military genius of unparalleled skill and audacity. Legacy. The Battle of Rivoli stands as a testament to Napoleon's mastery of warfare and his ability to triumph against seemingly insurmountable odds. It solidified his reputation as a military genius and set the stage for his subsequent rise to power in France. Moreover, the battle had far-reaching consequences for the balance of power in Europe, hastening the decline of the Austrian Empire and paving the way for Napoleon's ambitious campaigns on the continent. In the annals of military history, the Battle of Rivoli remains a shining example of strategic brilliance and decisive leadership, securing Napoleon's place among the pantheon of great military commanders.